Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial, create a form element. And what this is that we create a form element and it's a way for you to submit data to the server. So we need a tag for this, and then we just put the input inside of it. So for this exercise, we have to nest the existing input element inside a form element. So so just taking this one step at a time, we have to look at the input element, which we have here. And what we want to do is that we want to assign, we want to nest it inside of a form. So here we do form, and then we do the closing tag. Great. So now it's nested. And then we want to add the action. So we just follow the same syntax as this one. So before the closing for this opening tag, we do equals, and then we set it equal to this. The attribute is what this is called. And that should be it. Thank you.